product option. So in here, does your product come in different options like size, color, or material? So now let's click here on add option. Now in here, you can type in an option name. So this option would be for the color of my ring. So I'm going to type in color and show in product page as color. However, if this is about weight, then you can go for weight and you can go for a list. In my case, since it's a color, I'm going to go for color and then color in here and then type in choices for this option. So what are the colors available for this product? In my case, it would be rose gold. And then I'm going to go for silver. So you want to press comma every other option so that you'd be able to separate this just like this one. So in here, you can choose the color. So silver is probably this color, right? And then I can also customize the color in here of the rose gold. So I'm just going to go find a rose gold right here. So I think it'll be somewhere in here. So let's just say I'm gonna go for this color in here, just one example. And then once you're done, you will click on add and it will now be added in here. So now if you don't want to go for sizes, then you can add another option in here. But in my case, it's actually already good for me. And then you can also connect images for each color or each product option that you have added in here. So in my case, I'll connect that. So I'm gonna click here on connect images and I could just get an image from the image that I have selected or uploaded earlier. Now in here, I could just go for, I think this one right here. So this one is rose gold and then this one is the silver one right there. So I'm going to click on apply, just like that. And now you can also manage pricing inventory for each product variant if you want to. So variants are combinations of product options like small black shirt. So if you want that, you can enable this. And then in here, you can now differentiate each variant right here. So based on your product options, these are different versions of your product that customers can buy. So you could go for rose gold, silver, and then you can add a price different. For example, if they choose this variant, you would want to add, or maybe there is an additional cost. So you could just add it right here. Like for example, there would be an additional of 250 right here. Then it will now be 4,750 as you can see right here. Same goes for the silver. So you can input a price difference right here. Or maybe if they choose this one, then they would get a discount. Like for example, you are promoting a discount when they choose this variant. Then you could go for minus 500. As you can see, it will now be in 4,000. And then cost of goods, SKU, status, shipping weight, and visibility. You can also customize in here. In my case, I'll just go for these options. And now we're going to click here on apply. And now it's all good.